Hello everyone! We are going to go through how to add a new field and add a rule to it, so it can add some personalization to your descriptions or titles, such as an holiday theme. Let's hover over Setup and go to Setup Project Fields. Click. Now you see a long list of different fields that has all your core information to your products, such as price, color, and brands. That was all imported with your first import or creation. Let's get to it. Click on Add Project Field. Type in your theme or sale you wish to have added. Remember, use an underscore for your space. Select text underneath it, save and import. Your field has been created. Now head over to Feeds and click on Rules. Select Create New Rule, or if you have created one already, there is a plus sign for a new rule. Name the rule. You will see the all-powerful if, then rules. If rule with be all, then take will change to your new field that you have created. Holiday theme. Next field will have automatically changed to set to value. Right next to that will be your unique message you wish to place, such as holiday gift or special sale. Literally anything you wish. Now on the plus button on the right, we will add an and rule, telling where we want this message to be placed. We choose our description, then combine value. Add in dynamic field that you have created and add description behind it. Otherwise, your description will only say the message. Hit that save rule. Now go over to your selected item. You will see all your items' description have been updated with that special little message. Hit that subscribe button for more interesting videos on how to use Channable.